Transform your document approvals by mastering Dochub's effortless sharing for esignatures. Let's dive in and see just how easy it is to get your documents signed using Dochub. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the document you're ready to send out for signatures. Look for the Send for Signature option, usually found at the top or within the document's action menu. Clicking this will open up the signature request workflow. Now, you'll need to tell Dochub who needs to sign. Simply enter the email addresses of your signers. You can add multiple people and even assign them specific roles if your document requires it, like Signer 1 or Approver. The magic happens when you place the signature fields. Dochub makes this incredibly intuitive. You can drag and drop signature blocks, date fields, and text fields directly onto your document where they need to be filled out by your signers. Before you send, it's always a good idea to preview your document. This ensures everything is placed correctly, and your signers will have a clear and easy experience. Once you're happy, simply hit Send. Your document is now on its way, and your signers will receive an email notification explaining exactly what they need to do. Back on your Dochub dashboard, you can easily track the progress of your shared documents. You'll see which ones are pending, which are signed, and which might need attention. As soon as your document is fully signed, you'll receive a notification, and the completed agreement will be securely stored within your Dochub account, ready for you to download or archive. This streamlined process eliminates the hassle of manual follow-ups and ensures your approvals are processed swiftly and securely every single time.